These trash cans are gross. Hola and welcome back to 𝐇𝐎𝐏𝐄. This video today is a little bit different. I was off last week because I needed to take care of my mental health. So I did pick up the camera here and there just to show you exactly what it was that I was up to.
I love you forever. We can make it together. What goes up must come down. There's lots of friendly faces all around.
When I tell you that water was freezing, it really was. But it was also 90 degrees outside, so I really did not mind. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I'm Kim, KYM. I do videos pertaining to home life. So it's cooking, cleaning, grocery hauls, like fixing things, doing repairs, projects, home decor, all that great stuff. If that is something that you are interested in, please do not forget to hit subscribe on your way out and also show that like button some love. I use daylight in my home, daylight light bulbs, okay? They're amazing. Real quick grocery haul. Paint, Buble, Arm & Hammer, olive oil, clearly Canadian cherry flavor, toothpaste, coffee, Dove, fireworks, sparklers, and then bread. Let's see the total. This does not include the paint though, because we went to Lowe's for the paint. $41.83 was the total. The car. 41. This is my parents' garden that I was showing you guys. This is coming along nicely. So everything that they planted is back there. I would go back there, but I'm about to get in the pool. Anyway, yeah, so it's coming along. Looks really good. I'm about to go swimming. At the beginning of the video, I had mentioned I was off last week because I needed to take care of my mental health. I am involved in a movement. The movement has been created by my nephew, Nori's dad. For those of you who know Nori, his name is Brian. It is called 614 Us. And what we do is we are a community of people who come together and we do different things for the youth, especially bringing mental health awareness to our youth specifically. So right now we had a field day for the kids and they get, you know, free sports, free food, free shirts, great times, and all of that great stuff. The other thing that we do is a Rip the Runway show where we showcase models, artists, designers, and that sort of thing. If you're in the Columbus area, that this year will be held on July 30th. Hit me up if you are interested in attending. It's going to be amazing. The subject of mental health is near and dear to my heart because I have anxiety, depression, and you know what? I'm not embarrassed to talk about it. I don't know why y'all be so embarrassed, but it's 2023. It's time to talk about it. It's time to, you know, put the healing energy into the atmosphere. Brewing. Today's dinner is brewing. I'm going to be making samosas with this, and I also have some corn. It's about to go down. Check this out. It has been nearly 2 weeks. No, it's only been a week and a half. And my bathroom still looks like this on my side. And then this in the bathtub. But my husband got his side together. He was like, girl, put that drawer back, okay? So anyway, I'm about to paint. But before I paint, I'm gonna need for you to guess the color. What color am I gonna paint these cabinets? I got a lot of black and white because that is typically what I go for, but it's not black or white, okay? So leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And I guess you will see that here in the next few clips. Brace yourselves, okay? Because it's about to go down up in the bathroom.
I know it don't show, but I'm falling. Cigarette smoke, sick from drinking. Baby, don't think I will save you, but I'll tell you the things we can do if you give it.
I bet you guys did not expect this, did you? Do you know what color this is? It's called Shade Grown. It's like a greenish, brownish, grayish color. Yeah. Let me know below in the comments if you've been here for a while and you're surprised that I'm actually painting my cabinets this color. Looking at this footage, I'm cracking up at myself because 3 years ago, if you would have said, Kim, paint your cabinets some type of green color, I would have looked at you like you were crazy. But listen, your girl is like trying to take a walk on the wild side, okay? So the green, I'm really feeling it. Like I'm really trying to get rid of all of the blue. I have so much blue in my home and honestly, I'm just kind of getting sick of it, you know? Y'all know I will find any excuse in the world to change things up.
Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts bumping blue, bleeding out for fun. Caress my bruises, don't wanna go deep. Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts bumping blue.
Here is what we are looking like. That is 2 coats. Talk about really, really pretty. I love it, okay? But I have doors everywhere, okay? I have doors in the water room. And I also have doors in the bathtub. But hey, whatever works, right? So yeah, I don't want to put the doors on just yet. And I accidentally pushed this in and I didn't want to push this in yet because it hasn't been 24 hours. But I am going to clean off the tops of the sinks because they have not been cleaned in quite some time. I have 2 pictures that I picked up. Let me show you. I found this at the at-home store, of course. That is where 98% of the art in my home is from. But anyway, I think this is really pretty and it matches the green. While I was at the at-home store, I was looking for rugs and I couldn't find any rugs that I liked for the bathroom. So I decided to go to a store called Rose's. Somebody told me to go there and you know that they had rugs. And by golly gee, they did, okay? They had lots of rugs. However, I could not get to the rugs because there were probably about 35 boxes in the way. No lie. So anyway, while I was there, I was like, well, let me just kind of walk around their decor aisle to see what they have. Let me show you what I got because I really do like this. Dun dun dun. Isn't she lovely? I think she's pretty. And let me show you how much I paid for her. I paid $11.99 for her. You cannot beat that. I hang the first one I showed you to replace the blue right there. Let's turn you around. There's nothing there. So I'm gonna hang the other picture there, but I have to figure out what I'm going to do with this right here because eventually that's gonna have to go. It no longer matches my flow, but I'm just not gonna worry about it right now. I'm gonna just leave it as is.
You look so good in my sweater. Winter's my favorite weather, 'cause it brings you close, and I need you close. Yeah, wish we could stay here forever. Each day you keep getting.
I want to show you a few other things that I got from the at-home store. I picked this up because I want to put it in this basket. I think it's really cute. This was $4.99. I always pick these up. These are, I think, $5.99, and this basket is $12.99. Now, I got my husband a basket too. His is wider than mine because he has more stuff on his sink than I do, believe it or not. So I'm gonna use this basket and I'll show you his basket when we get to his side of the sink. Listen, I've never proclaimed to be the best organizer, but I will tell you that this organization system has definitely worked for me. Here is what my countertop looks like, and to be honest with you, I'm very minimal when it comes to countertops. I don't like stuff everywhere, so this is perfect for me. The whole thought process behind the organization is the items that I use on a daily basis, which is Vaseline, CeraVe for my face. I also use the rosehip oil and my Clinique moisturizer. Everything else is in the drawer or in my container underneath my sink. The dust really is not bad today. Normally there is way more dust than that. Stuck underwater, can't hold my breath. This is the basket that I got for my husband's side. This one was $14.99. Yeah, he has way more stuff than I do. Plus he has a medicine cabinet that is filled with stuff as well. But yeah. So I'm not really sure what all that stuff. You know what? I bet I do know what it is. I think it's rose hip oil all on the wall right there. I need to get that cleaned up.
Friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. Na, 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 na.
You'll have to let me know down below in the comments if you like to clean off your artwork when you bring it home. It's very sanitary to do so, plus it's really dusty in those stores. I really appreciate you being here. Thank you so much. Thank you for all of the prayers because I could definitely feel them. This is what this community is all about: uplifting one another, praying for one another, being there for one another, being a soundboard, being a cheerleader. That is what this is all about. Bend your head. I don't know why I just said that, but anyway. The green in here matches the green in the cabinets. The green in this shabby chic picture also matches the green in the cabinets. I have no idea what I'm doing with that. And ignore the bath brush. This wood right here, it matches the baskets that I bought. Yes, there is a method behind the madness. But I must say that green, y'all, sometimes it looks gray, but it's beautiful. It's a beautiful shade of green. And I know none of you expected me to do anything crazy like this, but I'm very spontaneous. And once you think you figured me out, you didn't. I hope all of you have an amazing week. Thank you again for watching. Bye, guys.